Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at a question that's asking you to find the surface area using the net. Now we have two options. Option one is to just work out the surface area on the grid itself. Option two is to figure out what the dimensions are and apply it to the surface area formula for a rectangular prism. So let's explore that option. If we try to figure out what the dimensions are, then we need to, I highlighted them here in a particular color. So we have the length of this thing represented in green, and you really can't see it going this way. You have to count it from here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's call that the length. And we have a width. We'll call this the width, and we'll look at it right here because it's so hard to see it here. Actually, you can see it here. You can see that it's 1, 2, 3 going that way, but you can confirm it by looking here. We have 1, 2, 3 going that way. So let's call that the width. And then we look at the height, which would be represented here with the red line, or if you prefer, we can look at it here, doesn't matter. It's 2 high. Height equals 2. Or here, you can see that it's equal to 2. Now, if we apply those numbers to the surface area formula, then we're looking at multiplying L is 5, W is 3, plus, and then we have 2 of a 5 by 2's, plus we have 2 of the 3 for W times 2 for H. Now you can go ahead and finish this up, or another way to do it is to just simply look at your net and do it that way. So let's say we're going to call this the front and the back. And that's the 5 by 2. That's right here, 5 by 2. So that's 10, and so is this. All right, let's say we're going to call this the top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. So that's this piece, and this piece down here. So look at the numbers. 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 3 by 5. We already have that here. That's 15. And then we might call this the right side and the left side. We have 2 of those that are equal and congruent. And you can see that it's 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2. So that's 6, and this is 6. We can go ahead and add up all these numbers. That's one way to find the surface area. Or we can recognize that here we have 2 of the 15s, plus we have 2 of the 10s, plus we have 2 of the 6s. If we add the 2 15s or multiply it by 2, that's going to give us 30 plus 20 plus 12. So the only thing left you have to do is finish adding these 3 numbers. And I think we're looking at square units here because it doesn't say meters, inches, or anything like that. So add up these 3 numbers, and that's going to be square units.